In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Ecwid subscription. If you're looking to end your service with Ecwid and just aren't sure how to go about it, you've come to the right place. So let's dive right in and take this step by step to make sure your cancellation is smooth and hassle-free. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Ecwid control panel. The control panel is essentially your command center on Ecwid where you manage your store's settings, products, and of course, your subscription. Simply log into your account and you'll be greeted with the dashboard. Navigating to the control panel is your initial step to accessing the features you'll need to cancel the subscription. Next, once you're looking at the main dashboard, you'll want to find and click on My Profile. The Profile section is where Ecwid stores all your account-related information. Everything from your personal details to your active subscriptions. This is where you're going to manage and initiate changes to your account, including cancellations. Clicking on My Profile will open up a detailed view of your account status and any active services. Now that you're in the Profile section, you'll want to locate the option labeled Delete My Profile. This step is a critical part of canceling your Ecwid subscription. Please be aware that opting to delete my profile is a comprehensive action that doesn't just cancel a subscription, it essentially removes your account from their platform. Therefore, make sure you've taken care of any important tasks like exporting store data or customer information beforehand. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Delete My Profile and follow any prompts that appear to confirm your decision. It's crucial to also understand the implications of this action. Deleting your profile will stop all active subscriptions and services associated with your account. Any storefronts or sales data that are linked to your Ecwid profile will no longer be accessible once this process is completed. Hence, double-check any terms and conditions mentioned during this final step because they might include important last-minute reminders or confirmations on what deleting your profile entails. And there you have it. With these steps, you will have successfully canceled your Ecwid subscription and removed your profile from the service. If you ever decide to return to Ecwid, you'll need to set up a new account from scratch. I hope you found this guide helpful and that the process was straightforward for you. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to Ecwid's support team for further assistance. They can provide additional guidance tailored to your situation. Thank you for tuning in.